What's up, my bomb ass subscriber squad? What's up, guys? Welcome back. For you guys that may not know, I am TonyaNicole, and welcome to Tonya's World. So, y'all, per you guys' request on my little poll that I took on YouTube, today, guys, we have our Allure beauty box. Y'all, I'm not even going to talk about my relationship with Allure today. I'm just not going to do it. So if you guys want to see what's inside of October's box, please keep watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of Allure thus far. So guys, what's up, y'all? Happy hump day, happy Wednesday. I hope you guys are enjoying your day today. Y'all, I've been working all day, 12-hour shift. Then I worked out after work because, y'all, I gained 11 pounds. That's not good, guys. That is not good. So I have put it on my mind, and I've had this mission that I'm going to lose these 11 pounds before my birthday, November 13th. So guys, wish me good luck on this weight loss journey because, ooh, girl. So guys, I got my Allure beauty box yesterday along with 3 or 4 other boxes. I did a quick little poll on YouTube and you guys wanted to see this box. So y'all know I had to give you what you want, right? So this will not be a long video because I'm kind of sleepy. So we're going to get right on into it. For you guys that do not know, Allure is a $15 per month beauty subscription. You get 5 to 7 sample to full, I'm sorry, my bad. You get 5 to 7 sample to deluxe size products with the occasional full size every now and then. And I cannot remember what the value is supposed to be, but I think it's supposed to be around 50 bucks. If I'm not mistaken. I used to love Allure, guys. When I first started getting it like a few months back, maybe 5 or 6 months ago, I was in love with it. But now the last few months have been pretty much garbage for me. So I'm hoping October is better because if it's not good this month, I'm giving Allure until December and I'm dropping them. I may even drop them after this month if it's not good. So we're gonna hope that it's a little better. But that's enough rambling. Let's just get on into this unboxing. So guys, as you've seen last month, the design on the box has changed and I like this box. It feels more sturdy, more durable. I do miss the little plastic bags, but I'm okay without receiving them, so. I'm so weird. All right, it just lifts off like that. Per usual, it comes with this little brochure that tells you everything we received in our box as well as the full size prices. So you guys know I will put it down at the bottom of the screen and we're gonna do the grand total towards the end. So up first, we have from Model Co. this Eyelights Metallic Eyeshadow in the shade, I don't know, but this is what the outside packaging is looking like, guys. And I'm gonna open it. I think we received this already in a box. I'm not sure, but I think I did receive this already. Ooh, wait. This is the shade Granite. And guys, look at that. I think it may be black. I'm just gonna swatch it. Oh, oh my God. Okay, y'all. So this is the color right here, and it is absolutely gorgeous. I love it. It's like a black with some shimmer in it. Okay. Now, since it's October and, you know, we in the fall season, I'm feeling this. Okay, I'm feeling this. This is a good start, Allure. Good start. Let's see what it retails for. So this is the Model Co. Eyelights in Granite, and this retails for $9. I'm not sure if this is full size or not. I think it is, but it's $9. So up next, guys, we have something else from Model Co. And this is the Metallic Eyeshadow Trio here. This is what the outside packaging is looking like, guys. And y'all, just really quick, I want y'all to know that I ordered some new lights today, so hopefully they will be in this week and we will have more lights around this place so y'all could better see me and these little products. So y'all, look, I'm stepping my game up. Now, I know that I received this before in a box. I don't know where all of my products are. I just have so much on this table, but let's open it up. Oh, this is beautiful though. It's in the shade Saint Tropez, and this is what the eyeshadow palette looks like. It's gorgeous, some browns and bronze colors, and this is really, really, really pretty. I will not swatch this because I think I'm gonna put this in a giveaway, but this is gorgeous, guys. And let's see what this little baby retails for. This is the Model Co Metallic Eyeshadow Trio, and this retails for $13, guys. And I think this is actually a full-size product, so. Okay. Up next, guys, I am seeing this M61 Powerful Skin Care. That's not the name of this. This is the Power Glow Peel 1 minute, 1 step exfoliating facial peel. And this is what the package is looking like, guys. And it's saying that it has 3 treatments in here. I have 1, 2, 3 little packets here. And it says, let's see what it says on this little box. This is a 100% paraben-free, synthetic fragrance-free, dermatology tested, and this is a radiant glow peel that provides deep exfoliation, resurfaces, clarifies, and helps to firm the skin. It has vitamin K in it to help reduce the appearance of spider veins and combats dry rosacea-like patches. I do not have that. It also has an antioxidant that helps promote an even skin tone, while chamomile and lavender assist in calming and soothing irritation. And let's see what they retail for. And for this, guys, the full size would be 10 treatments. They gave us 3, and it retails for $30 for the 10 treatments, okay? We just got Dorito. Up next, guys, I am seeing from Lumify this Redness Reliever eye drop, and this is what the outside packaging is looking like. And on the front here it says works in a minute, lasts up to 8 hours. So if your eyes are red, boo, just drop a couple drops of this in it and it's gonna clear it up. And this is what it looks like here. It expires in May of 2020. So this is what it's looking like here, guys. And this does say on the box that it is a sample and not for sale. So yeah, we got some redness reducers. Okay, I guess people need this. I guess their eyes are red. Like maybe tonight my eyes looking a little red. I should drop some of this in it, huh? No. And I think that this was just like a little add-on, because on the back of the booklet is like a promotion for these little eye drops. So I think this was just like a little sample for us to try out. So thanks, Allure. Up next, guys, I am seeing, oh girl, we got a little Sunday Riley product, and this is the, oh my God, creme hydration. I don't know what that says. Let me look at my little book, because I'm having a hard time seeing that, guys. So this is a moisturizing cream. It's the Sunday Riley Ice Ceramide moisturizing cream, y'all. I don't know how to read. Oh, wow. The full size for this is $65. Oh, my goodness. So the editor on the little booklet here says, if you could bottle glowy, dewy radiance, you've arrived at this new moisturizer from Sunday Riley. It's thick and smells like vanilla. The cream melts into the skin as fast as a serum. It's really good at hydrating dry complexions, even the rough, scaly spots. So, oh, let's see what it's looking like. Oh, I don't get vanilla. I don't know if it smells like vanilla. It kind of smells like the hotel soap. I don't know, but this is what it's looking like inside of the package. It's just a white cream. And y'all know I'm going to take a little bit and put it on my hand, because we're going to use this. It does feel very moisturizing. It feels thick, but it does feel hydrating. It just melts right into my skin, as she said. And I just get hotel soap when I smell this. I'm very happy to receive a little Sunday Riley product. That makes me very happy. And this, guys, retail for $65 for the full size. Up next, guys, I am seeing the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. Guys, believe it or not, I have never tried this stuff. I have heard lots and lots and lots of things about this bum cream, but I have never, ever, ever tried it. Before I even open it like I was doing, let me show you guys what it looks like. This is the outside packaging. It's a nice sample size, actually, guys. I hope it's full. It does have a safety seal, which makes me happy. I actually put this by my table so when I'm doing my videos, I can moisturize my hands. And oh, it's not really that full. Oh my God. Oh, this smells, oh, y'all, this is what it looks like in a container. I hope you guys can see. I can't wait to get my new lights. But oh girl, this smells so good. I'm so happy to get this. I really am. Let's see. Oh yeah, girl, we need a little moisturizer on our little hands. Oh my God, I love the smell. I don't know what it smells like though. It smells really good though, guys. Let's see if it says anything on here. Fast absorbing body cream, helps tighten and smooth like no other. Ooh, it tightens, okay. Let's see if it says anything else good in this little booklet. Main attraction is the smell, which it does smell really, really, really good. Maybe like coconut. She said it in here. She said, it's sugary, buttery, and beachy, like the fresh coconuts and sweet popcorn. That's right. That's kind of what it smells like to me. I love the smell. But anyway, guys, this retails for $45 for the full size one of these. I think in BoxyCharm they gave a full size one of these before. I'm not sure. I didn't get it, of course, but let me know, guys. And last but not least, we have this mineral bath salt. Dream Away. Ooh. Now this I can definitely get some good use out of. This is what the outside packaging is looking like, guys. It's vegan. Add bath salt to bath water. Enjoy bath for 15 to 20 minutes. It's just some bath salts, guys. Mineral bath salts in Dream Away. Ooh, y'all, I'm so excited to try this. I love soaking in the tub, especially after I worked all day or like tonight I worked out. Even though I did shower already, tomorrow I'm definitely using this to soak, guys. Oh, I'm so happy to get this. So let's see what this retails for. This is the NEP. I don't know if the K always usually is silent. Mineral bath salt and Dream Away, and this retails for $20. Now I think this is the full size of this. Yeah, I think this is actually full size. So it says for one full bath on here. So groovy. Yeah. So guys, that was my final product in this box for this month. We're going to do a quick recap. We're going to do final thoughts, rate this box, and we're going to go to bed, okay? So guys, we received this mineral bath salt here. We received the Brazilian Bum Cream, which I'm really excited about. These two for sure. We received this little added Lumify eye drops here. You know, if your eyes are red from sleep, you know, being sleep deprived or smoking a little herb, you know, hey, I don't judge nobody. You could drop this in your eye and, you know, look like you're up, right? We also received this Power Glow Peel. We received from Sunday Raleigh this cream moisturizer here, this ice cream moisturizer. And from Model Co, we received this eye lights in Granite. And we also received this eyeshadow trio in Saint Tropez. So that's 7 products for this month, guys. 7. Final thoughts on this box. So guys, y'all know that I have been hating Allure. Like, we've had this love-hate relationship the last few months, but I must say that I low-key kind of like this box, y'all. I like this month's box. They kind of saved themselves. It was only like 2 little things I wasn't excited for, and that's these eye drops here and this power peel. I don't know, I might use this for days when I'm sleepy, just drop it in my eyes to give my eyes a little bit more, you know, awaking. But the power peel I'm definitely going to put in a giveaway. But it's still a good item to try out if you have dry skin. But y'all know the remaining 5, I will use the mineral, the bath salt, the Bum Cream. I'm going to put the eyeshadow palette in a giveaway as well. Even though I love the colors of it, I don't think that I would reach for this. So I'd rather give it to someone that would. So yeah, but this right here, that like stole the show for me. It's gorgeous, y'all. I probably put this on in Friday's video when we do our vampire video. I'm so excited for that, guys. Anyway, so yeah, I kind of like this box for this month. Okay, Allure, you're getting back in my good graces a little bit. You showed a little improvement this month. So guys, if I had to rate this box on a scale of 1 being this box is garbage, throw it to the fire, to 5 being this box is the bomb.com, girl, we're gonna give Allure for this month a 3.5. Like, that is a big step for Allure. I think I gave him a 1 last month, but a 3.5, that's a big improvement. I'm actually kind of feeling this box. So let me know, guys, in the comments down below what you thought of this month's box. Are you subscribed to Allure? Did you cancel them? I need to know. If you have not already subscribed to the Bomb Ass Subscriber Squad, again, you need to hit that button and be a part of this family, guys. We always welcome new faces. You know, we some party people over here. Also, give this video a big thumbs up, guys. If you like this video, I mean, if you liked it, I'm sure that you will like it. Y'all gonna like it, right? Yeah, I know y'all will. Also, guys, if you do not follow me on social media, all of my links are down below. I am most active on Instagram, as I say each video. So, guys, that's all that I have for today. Yeah, I'm done. So I'm going to go lay down now. I'm going to take this lashes off. I'm going to take this headband off, this wig off, this makeup off, and get in my bed. So, my beautiful people, until next time and next video, I cannot wait to talk to you guys in the comments. I love you all so much. Peace.